Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open the Gallery app on your device and locate the three dots or gear icon. Tap that icon to open settings for the Gallery app now. In Settings, you will see Sync, Backup, or Cloud options listed for accounts. Confirm which account is actively syncing with the Gallery app before you proceed with changes today. Select the account listed under Sync or Cloud and tap to open controls. Locate the toggle labeled Sync or Backup and switch it off to stop uploading. If there are separate toggles for mobile data and Wi-Fi, turn both off to prevent any automatic sync. Verify the switch shows disabled before leaving this screen to ensure no background sync resumes. Open the cloud storage apps such as Google Photos, Samsung Cloud, or OneDrive. Confirm that existing photos remain stored in the cloud, but that new uploads have stopped. Disable automatic backup in each cloud app if you want fuller control over uploads moving forward. If you want a free cloud space, manually delete synchronized photos from the cloud while
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.